Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to change your emoji or customize your emoji on Instagram. So let's begin. First of all, open your Instagram application. Now go to the message for the person with whom you want to change or customize the emoji. Swipe right. Now select the person. So first of all, hold and tap on a certain chat. So here are the emojis that you already have. So now tap on this plus icon. Now select customize. So you can select any one of these emojis. So there are basically 5 of them that you can customize to your own will. Now tap on this big button. And so you're done. We have customized emoji patterns. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped.